All right, what we're going to go over today is just checking the Thermopile on a Bradford White, one of the modern atmospheric heaters that they have. In the past few years, they've made some adjustments to the gas valves, the Honeywell gas valves. They have, instead of a thermocouple, they have a thermopile. The thermopile on the Honeywell gas valve has a positive and a negative off of the gas valve that goes to a limit switch, and then that switch then sends, or the voltage then goes to the thermopile. So if you end up on a water heater call and the gas valve isn't operating and you're not quite sure what the actual problem is, obviously the first thing you're going to do is check gas is present, and you're suspecting that it's the gas valve's failure or the thermopile. One of the things that you kind of have to do in this instance is two things. If you can get the gas to light and the pilot to light, you can potentially check the millivoltage on the thermopile from not taking the door off. You can do it just from these two terminals here, but in most instances you're going to have to take the door off. So what I'll do is show you how to take the door off. It's just a set of 6 screws. This is a sealed door, so if you are going to remove the door and the seal needs to be replaced, that is something we keep in the shop. So we're going to go ahead and open the door up like this. You'll take your Klein M700, which is your multimeter. You're going to want to make sure you turn it to voltage right here. That's DC, and you're going to want to change it by hitting the select button to millivolts. If you take your finger and you just wiggle these two terminals off, you can pull them both out like this. A real fine set of needle nose will get those for you too. You can take the leads in your terminals and you can stick the leads right into where the contacts are inside, and you can set up, if the homeowner's nearby, you can set up this for the homeowner and get your torch out. And start putting heat on the thermopile only. You can watch it climb pretty quick. A healthy thermopile should have somewhere between about 650 and 750 millivolts. So you can see we're in the 3s. We're now going to get to the 4s. We're in the 5s, the 6s, and there's 750-ish millivolts right there. So that tells me that this water heater, if it's not firing, there's gas present, it tells me that the thermopile is good, that it's definitely the gas valve that's not operating. At this point, you would quote the homeowner. If it's a warranty replacement, you're going to get it under warranty. If it's not a warranty replacement, you're going to call the shop, get one of these ordered, and we'll get it replaced for them. Okay? Thanks, everybody.